Cricut Halloween Decor Tutorial. Make your own scary home decor. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to make your own scary home decor with your Cricut, step by step. By the end, you'll have your house looking spooky and stylish without spending a ton. So let's get it started. Open Cricut Design Space on your computer because this is where we'll be doing all the designing. Head over to the canvas to start creating your project. On the left panel, click on Shapes and then choose Square. This will act as your base guide. Now that the square is on your canvas, go to the Size option in the top menu bar. Here, type 5 inches for both width and height to resize it to 5 by 5 square. You can make it slightly larger if you prefer. This just helps your design size correctly for your Cricut mat. Once resized, change the color to square to gray. This makes your black text and design stand out clearly. Great job! Now that our base is ready, let's move on to adding some text and design. Go back to the left panel and click on Text to add your wording. Just follow along with what I'm doing on screen. Once your text is added, select it and then click on the Curve tool. Use the slider to bend your text along a circular path. You'll see it form a nice arch that follows the top edge of your circle. Now, I'm clicking the text box, grabbing its corner handles, and slowly resizing it until it fits inside the square. Take your time here, adjust the text accordingly. Once you're satisfied with your text, click on Images from the left panel. Search for Halloween in the image library and pick something you like. I'm choosing a haunted house round design here. After inserting the image, adjust your text again so it aligns nicely with your round design. Once everything looks good, click the Make It button in the top right corner. On the Prepare screen, make sure your design is placed in the left lower corner. That's the best position for cutting. Then, click on the Continue button in the bottom right corner. On the Make screen, select your vinyl material. Next, load a suitable blade in your Cricut machine. This ensures clean and precise cuts. Now, place your vinyl sheet onto the Cricut mat. Press the Load button to insert the mat into the machine. Once it's loaded, hit the Go button to start cutting your design. When the cutting's complete, press the Unload button to release your mat. Now comes the fun part. Use your weeding tools to carefully peel away the excess vinyl. Finally, place your finished design on your square board. And there you have it. Your custom Halloween signboard is ready. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy-to-follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.